What is up, people? What is up, people? We have another tour for you, new construction tour for you. This is going to be a townhome in Pender Oaks subdivision by K Hovnanian, or K Hov as the cool kids call it. Right, so we're going to take a look at this unit right here. It's a 4-level condo. I think you're going to be surprised by this layout and what this unit has to offer. So let's go take a look. We're going to walk through the garage so you can get that homey feel from it, because this is how you're going to most likely enter into space anyway. So we have ourselves a 2-car garage. We have this nice little storage nook right over here. That's where you can put your garbage can, your recycle bin. Right? It's nice that they've added this little nook here, because otherwise you would have to compete for space inside the garage. So as soon as we walk in, and just to let you know, one of my clients actually owns one of these units. He purchased last year. He really enjoys it. His family loves the layout, loves the space. So as soon as we walk in, we have the utility room. To the left, we have this little seating area here, little mud room action. I know the mud rooms are hot stuff right now. We have our first closet as we walk in. And also you could probably put like a little hooks right there to store your boots and your jackets and stuff. So we have this space here, which you're going to need to use your creativity. What you can do here, right? Make it a little entertainment space. And then we have our first bedroom, right? So first bedroom here. So these two spaces are almost the same square footage. But this room right here is closed off. We already have carpet here. So this is also the last model in Pender Oaks, the last new construction model. So everything is already done. So unfortunately, you won't be able to customize much or anything in this unit. It is the way it is. But you would be the first person living here. So it's nice that you have this ensuite here. I know a lot of people like this layout, this model, because you could have, this could be your mother-in-law suite, or if you got a nanny, live-in nanny, you could have your nanny or your au pair live down here in this space so you could get some of that good in-house babysitting services. And then we have like this little narrow space right here for whatever your heart desires. Then we have this outdoor space underneath the deck, right? So let's go take a look upstairs. Just so you can kind of see where we would have entered through the front door, right? We just came straight up those steps anyway. So pretty uneventful entrance. So once you get up to these stairs from the front door, you can either go down to that basement area, or you can come 4 steps up into your combination living space. And my goodness, look how open this layout is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this space here. Let me back all the way up over here to the front of the property, just so you can kind of really take in just how much space you're dealing with. Yeah. Like I say in all my other new construction videos, I really recommend that you get yourselves the hood option when you're doing your kitchen, when you're finishing out your kitchen, right? We have ourselves a nice little fireplace feature right here. So just imagine you have your sofa right here, kind of next to the window here. You have your love seat, 2 end seats, tables, chairs, a little end table. And then right here in this space here, you have your dining room, gorgeous 8-seater dining room table set. Some lovely chairs. And then underneath this little island here, you have yourself 4 seats so that you can have your guest just pull up a chair And look at this well-appointed kitchen. Right? Am I right? This is one of the features my clients love the most. This kitchen is massive. Massive. And this is a townhouse. I know single family homes that don't have kitchens this large. Right? You got your nice little hood there. Excellent. Get yourself your little steak, your kebabs, your kebibs. All right. And that's it. You don't need to use your imagination. Envision this place full of furniture. You got your turkey going for your holiday dinner. At the top, you got your cake. No, you got your turkey at the bottom. You have your cakes at the top. Cakes and pies, preferably pecan pie, right? That's the superior pie. We got ourselves a little soft close action here. And we have a large, lovely deck. Check that out. You're facing wooded area, so you come out here, have some privacy, right? You still have your neighbors to your left and right, but at least there's no one just peering into your home, right? What I like about this deck is that there's two entrances here, so you can put yourself a little table chair combination there. You'll probably put your grill in the corner right there, or your smoker. See, like those people over there? Check it out. See that? Your agent Abraham knows what he's talking about. Oh, it's just a quick reminder here. If you are interested in starting a new home construction process, there is a link in the description to fill out the perfect home questionnaire. Click on that link and we will schedule a time to talk via Zoom to answer all your questions about the new home construction process. You can also reach out to us to find the most current information about pricing on these units. Look at that wall of cabinets. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we have this pantry. This I can't even get my words together. Look at the size of that pantry. All right, you can prepare for anything with that pantry. All right, so let's go upstairs, check out the bedrooms. If you like this level, I know you're going to enjoy the bedroom level. You know what? We haven't seen everything here. So there's another door right here. This is a closet, right? So this is where you would put this is essentially the coat closet. Because remember, you come up from the front from the front door. It's like a narrow hallway that moves you straight to some stairs. So that'll be your first coat closet. That's where your guests would hold all their coats. And you too, right? Although you almost likely be using the garage, so you won't necessarily have to use that coat closet. And you have your view here. So we have our little powder room here, which is one step up. And then we go to our bedroom level. All right. While we're up on the bedroom level, we can either go to the left, go to the primary bedroom, which is also on the back of the property, which is a design I like because you get to face the backyard. In this case, that's just a wooded area. And then before we switch, so we have laundry room right here. Then we have the guest bath. We have both guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2, and then we have stairs to the 4th and final level. So working our way from left to right, we enter into the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom, as soon as you walk in, you have a choice to go into the walk-in closet there. And then when you step in further, you have another choice. There's another walk-in closet to the left. And then we have our primary bathroom, ensuite bathroom. Here, because this is a townhouse unit, you may have already seen the condo video that I shot for this development, and the amount of space here is insane. Look at the space here. And look at your view, right? Get yourself like a little cappuccino machine or a coffee maker right up here in your bedroom, so that when you're waking up to a fresh cup of joe. All right, let's go take a look at this first walk-in closet here. Plenty of space. Nice ceiling height too, so you can get yourself solid 2 rows of clothing and material. Then we have the second walk-in, and this is going to be the much larger one, right? So this is going to be the closet for the person who has a clothing addiction. What's nice about this wall right here, you can fit yourself a another piece of furniture right in there. So for the individuals who really have an issue with clothing. And in this model here, we have the tub shower combo. Now this is a newer concept that has been taking over the internet. Well, not just the internet, just in general. So you walk in, there's a shower, and then you step in, and then there is a tub, right? So you don't have to worry about the floor being wet, because the floor is supposed to be wet. And you have this gorgeous window right here, and you don't have to worry about privacy because there's no one behind you. No one behind you. So with the shower here, we have, it's actually, let's look up. There's actually a shower head at the top there and 2 shower heads right there. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Plenty of space in this walk-in shower. And we have our toilet closet right here. And lastly, let's look at this double vanity. All right, plenty of storage space on the plenty of counter space and plenty of storage space. Love what they've done with the cabinets. Let's go check out the utility room, or the laundry, bedroom level laundry and laundry room. There we go. You got yourself a little wash sink here, and you have some storage so you can put all your Tide Pods and your Bounce sheets. And as you can see here, we have space for 2 side-by-side units. Guest bath has a tub in it. Tub in place. All right. There we go. Now we're looking at bedroom number 1. Guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom to the left here. What's nice is that you're taking advantage of some of this elevation here, so you have a nice view out of this bedroom here. You can fit yourself potentially a full-size bed in here. Or an office. You could probably make this into an office. This would be a nice office for the work from home crew. We have our double door closet system. And then we have guest bedroom number 3. This is going to be the larger of the guest bedrooms on the bedroom level. The bedroom that has its own ensuite in the basement is larger than both of these bedrooms. All right, again, we have a double closet system. There is a little bump out here for the stairs, so you do lose a little square footage in that closet. And lastly, we have our 4th and final level. So from left to right, we have a little space over here with its own access to a little rooftop balcony, a rooftop deck. We have a full bath, and we have our 5th bedroom. Before we go into there, let's work our way from left to right. I was getting ahead of myself. All right, so this little space here, definitely see as like a little entertainment space, entertainment room, a gaming room, kids playroom, a sweet office setup. I mean, your imagination is really gonna have to come to life with this space here. It does have a closet here as well. You got yourself a little wet bar and a refrigerator, and then we have ourselves the rooftop deck. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Even more square footage. Holy smokes. There is so much space in this house. Right? Is it just me? Like, you know, what's funny about this is that when I walked up to the house, because my client doesn't have the model that has this fourth floor. When I was walking up to the house, I thought that this was just going to be like a little nook up here, but this is well appointed. There's a good ceiling height up here too. There's good ceiling height as well. So we have ourselves a walk-in shower for whoever has this bedroom up top. I mean, technically, to be honest with you, you could do another bedroom if you want to have like a sixth bedroom right over there. It's not. There's a closet over there, so you could if you wanted to, because really you could just put like a door right here if that was something that, if bedrooms was if you were looking for a lot of bedrooms at this price range. I mean, it's a possibility, right? Then we have a double closet system right here, and look at this view. It's about to rain. It's about to rain, but look at the view. Look at that unobstructed view. You could just, I don't know where the sun rises, but I bet that this is a gorgeous view in the morning. Right this way, and I think the sun sets over this way. Anyway, this is it. Hovnanian has done it again. This is a gorgeous unit, gorgeous layout too. I love what they do with layouts. I think that Hovnanian may be one of the best layout designers in the new construction game in Northern Virginia, right? Show me a better layout. I'll be happy to compare, but I like their layouts. That's it for me. Again, there is a link in the description to the Perfect Home Questionnaire. If you're ready to start your new home construction process, if you're ready to start to build the home of your dreams, right? Your dream home, or you're just ready to get yourself into a new construction condo, click the link in the description, fill out the form, and we'll schedule a time to meet via Zoom. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.